GLE park where you hang out. The 12 gauge make big.
And the boy leak man voice note and farmer.
Yeah, go like a have nigga like pump up.
I'm showing a picture when Russian maga like stick.
They just look away to me, and of course, me a human being.
Welcome to the countdown. Yeah. Oh my God, it's my jam. No man. Oh my God. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Oh my God. Anyway, Basketball, this is DuttyBerry and welcome to another Top 10 Social Media Countdown. Burritos, let me just say no. Oh my God, I have some good news. The DuttyBerryShow YouTube channel is at over 50 million channel views. Give it up for us now, man. Woo! Yeah, man. Burrito Army, like where I watch the content, you know, but just now subscribe. So if you're watching right now, please go and subscribe to the DuttyBerryShow YouTube channel right here, so. Come on, man. A long time I have been to that 300. Yeah. Okay? It's not just... No, man. Jesus. I just don't want to for us. Watch alone. Only can subscribe and support me along the journey. Anyway, we'll have whole heap of bangarang and things to go and talk about. So let's get into this week's Top 10.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and mixing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama where you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happening of the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Teejay versus... Number 10, Teejay versus Valiant. Me, I can't selfish. Okay, no, so why the hell did I say that? Anyway, so burritos, so wanna know, coming after the heels of the Steph London versus Jada Kingdom online feud, that clash series that transpired, Teejay and Valiant decided to enter the chat and to represent for the man them. So they had a war of words on social media exchanges. Ramesh name will get bring up people, you know, Valiant said things about Teejay, like Teejay need to have, you know, one new act song, and say Teejay no rich like him.
Remember your friend them dead out, no killer no round your rose. You must know me know where the GLE park where you hang out. The 12 gauge make big 12 head spread out. You know stop call for me yet.
Don't this DJ little you we shot the attack for your head where you catch it one. Tell them trippy them a action movie.
Teejay put up receipts to show him house and the assets that he has. All of them different something there did go on, and now it seems as if there is a truce. And they are deciding to do like what my father and Cartel did do when they have the press conference that time. So, you know, honestly, me never really get into this because I'm just too busy to do some planning and some little things so me I gotta share with you soon. So readers, make sure you stay locked to the DuttyBerryShow YouTube channel because we have a little reason for go and celebrate, but we're not gonna do that just yet. If you're not real diehard readers, you're supposed to know what should be celebrated this year. Okay, but don't, if you don't know the answer, don't tell the other burritos them who are watching right now. Don't tell them I could have your brother, I could have your uncle, I could have your auntie. Don't tell them, keep the answer to yourself because they will copy. Okay? Anyway, so let me know what were your thoughts about the whole Teejay versus Valiant feud. Me just happy say don't know because we feel like easing into Black History Month, we must can behave better. Okay? Are you like me? Do you think that we will carry on the bangarang into February? Or you feel like we're going to be decent for Black History Month? Sound off below. Number 9, PM lifting. Make Governor General. Boy, oh boy, once again, I don't know why I just said that. So, the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, you know, he's on his PR mode now. He's making several appearances because it look like, say, the election is in the air. So, you know, the little politics go. The JLP, them are run the rounds and the PNP are make the rounds them. And so, all of that is fair. Zine, so, on a recent appearance, the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, you know, in the there interact, you know, when this little girl decided that she need her moment to shine. Take a look.
Can have, you know, extensive shopping. No, that is That is classic.
Calling her friend.
Well, I can't let it one of Alright, so you get your ready for now. You ready? You get your ready for now. Alright, here you go. What's your name? Jazzy? Oh, that's a cute name. Alright? Alright.
No man, big up that little girl, big up that little princess. And what was just so amazing, you know, is that my girl never just look out for herself, you know. She looked out for her friends. Because what did the great songwriter said? Something another like, true good times and bad times, I'll be on you. Oh God, I don't know if I should have started like a bit lower, because I don't know if I could have make it all the way up there. So, but you know, I'm going to say, forevermore, that's what friends are for. Alright, yeah, I'm just kind of stop now, because, yeah, I don't know really. When I never pay for this, maybe I'm singing while I'm not subscribe. Jesus Christ. So, Burritos, if I make a promise to you right now that I will no longer sing in the countdown, maybe if I don't want, I will stop that so I can finally start subscribe. Or maybe it is the dancing at the beginning that maybe the dancing that hold me back. And that if I stop dancing, you will actually not just watch, but finally, subscribe yo. Come on, man. Come on. Well, Burritos, let me know what you thought of this video with the kids and the Prime Minister. Sound off below. Number 8, Donna surprise. Okay, Burritos now. So no, Aunty Donna, social media personality and Christmas cake extraordinaire, posted a video on social media where she surprised her workers, her employees in a very big way. Take a look.
So I just want to tell all of you guys, Natalie, Tats, because you know, so really perfect. Millie, Zayden, Auntie Paula, Tina, Renee, Fresh, Jerry, Stammer, Coco, and Joshin. Anybody leave out? No. I stand here today with a heart full of gratitude and appreciation for everything that all of you have done into my life. This was one of my busiest cake season, and you guys stand up with it. It's my 50th birthday. Hello. And I'm taking everybody. Yes, so I am taking my staff who was there with me. May I talk about everybody, and in all fairness, I'm taking them. I may have to give them. But in all fairness, I want, this might not be a lot to a lot of you, but it's a lot to me when God is in it. So I am taking you guys out. In all fairness, me I carry no, me have to go no spending money, right? Because I may have to pick no. So everybody going on the trip, Aunty Donna bless you. Alright, Renee, come at the front of the class. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 504. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That is it, Aunty Donna. That is it. Jesus, people. Honestly, between working for Aunty Donna and working at Popeyes and with the restaurant them, with the donut name again and the other Burger King, you know, Richard Lake and Lisa Anna, because I make so one little video on social media where them carry them out, got hotel go treat them for the day. So all of them establishments did shut down. Between them and Aunty Donna team, like they are braffing right now. They are starting off the new year in the right way. Like honestly, this look good. This look like a nice type of life. Like to go to Panama and them look at something there. Aunty Donna, happy belated birthday. She celebrated her 50th birthday, and this is just how you do it in fine style, by rewarding your employees for, you know, really helping you to be where you are right now. So Burritos, let me know like what were your thoughts watching this video. Sound off below.
Now here's this week's random video of the week.
So the accident, this is an accident, be white people, oh my God. Father God, help them, help them. Shut your fuck. I give a f***.
Number 7, Black Rhino Flat Irons here. No Burritos, no. Boy, as if this month could not give more viral moments. So Black Rhino, the dancehall artist known popular for his mega single, Pandy Bike Back, all on time, Pandy Bike Back, girl. Cause you don't know, so Yeah. That hit single, he went on social media to, talk about his grievances with the producer, Russian. No, that is not what people were focused on, though people were more focused and tickled by the fact that he did this all while flat ironing his hair. Take a look.
Then listen me get style on Instagram. Say it does look away to me, and of course me a human being. Me I go think away, me I go pray it away, me I go feel away, me I go see it the same you all see it as styling, you see. So me just feel like if it come from the whole place all around from best, you see me I say so. Why you go send me for buy? Why you go reach out to me? Send me go record for your reading. Zine, and then when me record for your reading, as you say you pay $700 for everything, which I know that's a lie, because I can call the student right now. Remember that same song that me and the engineer become friends, and the engineer rate me because of something. See? So why you da reach out to me? If I made you reach out to your body for your reading and get a style, then I don't feel it now way, but the people them think I take your reading and jump on it and then I beg you authorize it. When them not understand, so I start asking for art, I start to go on the internet and say,
No, honestly, this was just hilarious. Like, boy, oh boy, me not a problem with the man I vent, and I talk about him thing, but it's just the idea when you put a dancehall artist in a one bathroom, flat ironing while venting or just, talking about some things online. The whole I put in the optics, they just look a little bit weird for a dancehall persona. But Black Rhino quickly, went on social media and made the people them know, say, a long time him a flat iron him here, and him is still a gangster and all of that. But things took another turn after people started to just say, you know what, Black Rhino is a dancehall rock star, and decided to actually take his music and spin it with some rock music instrumentals. And now we're having a whole new era on the horizon. So I forgot big up DJ Puffy, big up Sparks, and other selectors. Puffy, big up Sparks, and other selectors, DJs who jumped in and made this such a fun trend. Number 6, Crime Minister versus Russian. No, I don't know what I'm going this week on the corner, because it come like this is a versus battle. Somebody against somebody, because January has just been January. Okay, and so I don't know if you know Crime Minister, but he's a social media persona, someone who comes online. He's very opinionated, always go viral with his his innate utterances, right? And so he recently chimed into the January chat, that conversation, and to talk about his distant relationship with his former friend, Russian.
Tell you no, me can show you a picture when Russian maga like stick, me thicker than Russian. Them time me use my energy now and I pour into the youth career, 14 years worth of it. You know me I say? That's all when me get maga cause the amount of something where I do. And him start get.
And so since then, Russian jump out, say some little things about like, if a man him want to mind him and all of these things, and then Prime Minister jump out and went into a whole history lesson, just giving behind the scenes details of the type of relationship that he had with Russian, and in all of that, it definitely showed that the brother just hurt, and this is something that is very relatable, where you have your friends them, you're rooting for them, you're supporting them, but when a certain time reach, you feel as if them just move on and forget you. And so once again, this is just another cautionary tale, another life lesson, just like pouring to yourself while you're pouring into others. So Burritos, let me know your thoughts on this saga. All right. Chanel Muir and mom. No, Burritos, no, it is no secret that, Chanel Muir and her mother, they have a pretty rocky relationship. So the singer has been vocal. She's appeared on Sim Soul Session, spoken about the matter. Her mother has made several posts on social media, and so we understand that it's family, and so we get how complicated it can be. But recently, Chanel Muir posted, went live, and people started to share this clip where she was apparently kind of poking some fun at her Just watch.
Nobody no have them the power they over me and me not do it again. You not go see that and you can't break me. You can't do it cause me broke already. Lord of mercy. Oh, you be broke so we broke already.
Boy, burritos, at the end of the day, here's what I say. Family is family and that of that. Like, we are going good today, we not going to agree tomorrow. I just saw it go. But I don't really like when family matters play out online because we just know the amount of emotions and the amount of hurt and the amount of trauma that is really there. And it's supposed to be a private situation, but here we have to say, you know, we can't relate to this. So let me know your thoughts to Chanel at this time. Sound off below. Number 4, Kizzy Don and Smile Jamaica. Alright, burritos know, so you know Kizzy Don, the social media persona with this very odd voice where people are trying to figure out if it's real or if it is just a manufactured presentation. Okay, you know, she recently announced that she's going to have her podcast Kizzy Don TV, and you might know her for her very viral videos as, you know, a brand ambassador for Loud Fashion. But, you know, she recently appeared on Smile Jamaica for a Loud Fashion feature, and afterwards she caught up with the Smile Jamaica presenter Never Bell himself, and we got this moment.
Hello guys, finally meet Mr. Never Bell and we at TVJ. See there? One Kizzy Don, Mr. Never Bell, and we are famous and bossy. So you can see I'm up at TVJ now, and I'm going to be more famouser and famouser. Thank you, Mr. Never Bell, for meeting me. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, she is famouser. I'm famous.
Check it out. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You know what? You know what? You know, honestly, Kizzy Don, I don't rang you for shooting your shot. Me not rang you for shooting your shot, but you see Tropics, I was in Tropics, the page that posted a video and then kind of put it out there that Kizzy Don for the new, for host primetime news or something there. And you know, social media jumped in now and we're like, especially on Twitter, we're like, nah man, yeah, no, don't make that girl come do it now. This was just all for fun, people. Like, it's just for fun, and poor Never Bell just let it just go along with the moment. Boy, oh boy. But let me know, burritos, would you be here for Kizzy Don on TVJ? Sound off below.
And now it is time for the Big Up segment.
Alright, so first up on the Big Up segment, I have to go and big up Swiss Lee for, you know, representing Brand JA on the TikTok Live Fest. And that was happening like him. They put out like one big bad white suit that looked like him did not get married like the outfit. They just shell. And so we just like visit Jamaica and representation in all type of spaces. So if you're going to on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Snapchat, then at the Migla Antarctica, we will be representing. Okay, red, you know, red, green and gold. Jesus, me no shame, I kill me. Red, green, you see how I'm foreign-minded? You see how I'm foreign-minded about red, green, and gold. I don't know where me get that from, you know. Jesus Christ, you know. You see how look at America come like it a call me, you know, man. Jesus, Beanberry, boy, oh boy. You see I'm out? I also have to go and big up the podcast that I am producing. It is the Living Millennially podcast with Steph Guy as the host. And the second episode is now posted to the Steph Guy YouTube channel. And it featured as the premier guest Nikisha Barnes. You might know her from Rising Stars. And she is just such a powerful woman. She just, every time she opens her mouth, a gem drops. It's just an innate thing for her. And so I would advise you to go over to the Steph Guy YouTube channel and to check it out and leave a comment, because boy, me a produce, you know, so like me I learned a little, I produce over here, so but me a so I want the burritos them go over there and to leave a strength on the podcast. All right? Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
And I think that's one of the issues we're having with like the generational gap between like Gen Z and then before our generation is that a lot of Gen Z people don't know the foundation that was laid before.
Yeah, and sometimes I feel like they don't want to know.
Information
That's
it, because
is
it's
too
our
accessible.
time.
Yeah, man. There your fingertip where you can Google now and look on some people for a long time and go, wow. So I think it's for me is finding the time and the space to learn your history in whatever path you want to travel on, so that you know who forged ahead. So sometimes you also learn what mistakes not to make,
right?
Because you're able to
because
see
history is
for a reason. In other because careless, it's there so that you can go, oh, those were some lessons learned. I don't want to repeat that. How can I not repeat that? What do I need to do to make myself even stronger so that I don't make that same mistake?
I mean, like even my shirt, Gifted and Black.
I love the shirt.
Like,
and also have to go and big up dancehall artist Popcorn on his recent initiative to do drain cleaning in his parish. Big up St. Thomas, you know, man, like this is definitely a good look, and boy, oh boy, like people have side-eyed the politician, them, the MP, them over there. No, Lord have mercy. Yeah, play chess and not check as Popcorn. Number 3, Crystal engaged. My beanie ring. Okay, no, so Burritos, so recently on hear the news that Beanie Man is engaged to his longtime friend, girlfriend, Camille, and so it look like Sir Crystal said, listen, I know you one can find love, I know you one can find joy after nothing now backs me in my face. I am definitely worthy of being proposed to, of being a wife. Me, I will get somebody for do the thing where you couldn't do, and that is go down by your knee and propose. And that is what Crystal got. Crystal said, do this and beat me. Watch the styling. Anything you can do, I can do better. Ray, why? That is what Crystal did. Crystal said she see it clear. The man see it clearly. No, crystal clear. Say him sure. Yes, Crystal, that is how you do it. Just like, I think Crystal deserves all of the happiness in life. Like, she stay to herself, she do her work, her little mindful die, boss gas Mondays and them something there. She stay to herself and just focus on her community, and she not really in no bang around. So people like them, you just wish them all of the joy, all of the love, and all of the wholesomeness. So congratulations, Crystal, and big up to that, future husband, because he is definitely her lucky man. Crystal. Keep the relationship private, like kind of just like, man, I don't man face, not really show nothing, just like ID, alright? No make me know nothing until I get pitney, like all 15 years old, then time they pop out say they even pregnant with another pitney, like, man, just, know, alright, big up Crystal.
Zaga, this is Beanie Man representing for TheDuttyBerryShow. You never know, we don't play that, know, Zaga.
Number 2, friend employment. Okay, my readers, I have nothing to say about this video more than it was just hilarious. This is the energy that I want you to have when your friends them accomplish them goals, when your friends them accomplish them dreams and their heart's desires. Check out this, how this friend was rooting for her friend, her sister, as she made her way to work.
You go like you have nigga like pum pum. You go on and some friend then go on when them at work. Them all have bandy leg. You can't move your yeah, my big friend at work. 2024, my friend at work. Yeah, my friend have handbag. My friend wear black shoes.
Love it, man. Love it. I'm here for it. Burritos, let me know the name of your friend who supports you with this sort of energy. Comment your friend and big them up right now in the comment section. And number 1 goes to Amari, Aunty Boss, and Queenie on stage interview. Woo! My word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. What a long thing there, Jesus peep. No, that was just, boy, like, wow. That was a long name for a call for number 1. So number 1 goes to the onstage interview with RT Boss, Amari, and Queenie. Like, this just made the rounds on social media and got so many people talking because it was just such a messy and chaotic interview, but I was just so here for every second of it.
I would like to Squidford, I'm not mashing up the show, but Queenie is a long time now. What you say?
What kind of stupidness
This is the fuck I'm talking about. You understand? Because you want me to be a part of your team, and like, you refuse to treat us equally. No disrespect, Queenie. You understand? No, you're crying peace, but you see that I'll bring me come on stage for. Sorry, Winford. I did this now. I'm about to.
Oh, easy. Hold on. This real?
Him, sir, I make all the money when I sneak up from it.
RT, but RT couldn't steer us. That's taking the piss, RT. I'm still married.
Oh my God, like when that happened, go down Pandy and propose and all of them because something there, Winford was left stunned. Like, what did he need to say more than just to watch the chaos just unfold in front of his eyes? Like Burritos know, was to say after that they were all hugging and them look at something there. I don't know, just let there be peace and love, you know, on stage. And so hopefully they will actually put out a song together. But more importantly, I think they should actually start a reality show of something of that sort. Because when they combine, you know, like when them combine their forces, it is must-see television. Maybe Amari and Queenie can come on the next season after Social House. As a matter of fact, like them supposed to come on the Social House, I would definitely here for it. Social House producers. Yeah, man. I don't know if we have a limit with, you know, yeah, man. Bring Amari. Bring Amari. Bring Amari. Bring Queenie. Whoa. Bring Amari. Bring Queenie. Whoa. All right, I'm gonna shut up now because really and truly, like, I had my head gone, you know, just because I couldn't remember a while ago. So, very just sorry. I'm just try to not make my head just go off again. Okay. Well, let me know what you thought of this entire situation. If you want to hear the full saga, go and go watch this video right here on the Dutty Berry YouTube channel where I broke down the entire Winford Williams on stage interview with Queenie, Amari, and RT Boss. Well, that is it, Burritos. We've come to the end of another Top 10 social media countdown. Please hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, hit the thumbs up, yes man, and share the video with your friends and your family. To advertise on the social media countdown, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com and follow me on all my social media at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Snapchat, all over. Do take care until next week when I have a special announcement. So big up Burritos, them who know the answer from now because who know are the real MVP. Okay, Burritos, later.
The dirty are the berry, yeah, the juicy are the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.